right, let's get started here. We've enjoyed this evergreen hedge for over 7 years now.
Clear on the right.
Here come your apples. Someone having fun in their ATV. What a great day and a great drive in a Model A. But it's a bear to prune, especially at the top. We had a landscaper prune it last time. He thinned it out in the middle and, well, it's not gonna work. It's just too big and old. So I'm gonna take it down, give some more room over here for parking and for a future carport, maybe a garage, not sure what, but time to get her done.
It's amazing how they grew into each other.
One more juniper tree to go. So long, Hedge. Nice knowing you. This is a workout. I'm not gonna take down the stumps, if you will. That I hope Bobby will do for me. Hey, there's a nest.
That's the keeper.
Yeah.
This is our souvenir. We've seen birds go in and out of this hedge, and now we know they were nesting. Our pest company has just arrived, Dungeness Pest. We've had a mouse issue in our van, and they're coming to refill the traps that are around our property.
All done. Next up, clean up and cutting down the trunks. That'd take probably 5 pickup truck loads. Sorry, Hedge. 2 cedar trees and 3 juniper trees. I cut down the hedge, also combined cedar and juniper, between there and the end of the driveway when we first moved in. That's on a separate video. We planted the moonglow junipers here, and we're gonna leave this cedar hedge because it blocks the power box. So that's pretty much what it'll look like when it's all cleaned up. From the street view, from the driveway view, it won't look like this, I hope. It'll be cleaned up and a much wider driveway access and parking strip.
We had our earplugs in, our gloves on, and tools to do it right. Randy's chainsaw worked great. His headphones protected his ears and sunglasses his eyes. And we took turns dragging these big pieces into piles. Hopefully Bobby will show up, our yard guy, and he will take it away.
I cleaned it up enough so at least you can see the edge of our driveway for the first time since we've lived here. It's a chore, but it's worth it.